everybody, welcome to another episode of Totally Primal. I'm Dave, and this week, Primal Eats is on the road. Actually, we're on the road every week, and it has something to do with bringing fabulous food to your party. So stay tuned, and we're gonna check it out. We're on the road today. We are doing some catering. Right now, I've got 70 pounds of beautiful Texas-style brisket on its way to some customers because we are doing some catering. This is a service we offer all the days that we're open. It's some of the simplest forms of catering. You don't want to cook, you're having a party, you know, maybe you want to have just that one special dish, but you don't feel like babysitting a smoker for, 14, 16 hours. Well, Primal Eats, that's where we come in. We can bring you all of our barbecue. We're talking the brisket, the pulled pork, the smoked chicken, the sliced sausage, all of the barbecue. You can put it in your own dish and tell everybody it's yours. We don't mind. But the simplicity is what makes it so fantastic. What the Primal Eats team does is much like what we're doing right now. We load up the food, nice and hot, bring it to your place. We set it up. We can provide forks, napkins, paper plates, the chafing racks that come with it. As far as what our catering services do, what our team does, we set everything up for you. You have a conversation with one of our awesome team members that gets you all signed up. You get your own guest portal. It's a website based just for your events. You get all of the details right online. You can share that link with your guests so they can see what's going on. It's actually really nice and super simple. All you have to do is go to www.primaleats.com, click on the catering tab, and there's a button that says click here to get a quote. And you just fill out a simple lead form, ask a few simple questions about your event. Catering made simple for you guys. So Tyler, hey, nice to meet you, Tyler. So you had a party last weekend, right?
Yep, at a wedding reception over in Bondwell.
How did that go?
Great, amazing. In-laws wouldn't shut up about the food. My friends and family from the valley, absolutely loved it. We had a ton of food left over. Ordered extra, and I was telling everyone, take home food, enjoy it. Well, I was getting Snapchats from my friends and family saying, oh my God, eating this next day, flipping amazing. They loved it. I'm still getting videos in that of them saying, oh, I'm gonna freeze some of this leftovers and have it later.
So the leftovers are good.
Oh, leftovers are great.
That's
literally
awesome.
On the day of when we were, so we had to refill the trays and everything. I'm like, all right, gotta put more mac and cheese out there. Got my little niece yelling at me, come on, Uncle, I wanted some of that mac and cheese. And then it's like, don't worry, we got enough coming up there. But everyone was devouring the brisket and just said it was like the best brisket they've ever had.
The changing out of the dishes we had talked about, how did that go? Because we're still getting feedback on how that works for people.
Well, honestly, you were spot on with, you only need X amount of meat sides per people. And you're like, Tyler, don't overdo it, you're gonna have extras. Well, I overdid it. You were spot on with the count with people. And swapping out the dishes, like, well, have a little bit of the beans. You don't know how that's gonna go, people. Have a little bit of the coleslaw. Because you don't know how that goes. But the mac and cheese, phenomenal. Wow. Everyone loved that. The brisket was like the #1 thing.
That's
and then
what we're known for.
The smoked chicken. The smoked chicken was phenomenal. I loved it. Just juicy, amazing. You had the smoky flavor on it, the tang on it.
Yep.
Oof.
That's a brine chicken, and it's dressed in our own barbecue sauce. And Tyler, man, I'm so glad I got to run into you. That is fantastic.
It's perfect running into you again.
Yeah, so I mean, guys, check out Primal Eats Catering because first-hand testimony right here. Tyler had an awesome party in Bondwell last weekend that we catered, and well, that's awesome. I have nothing more to say about that. So Tyler, again, awesome. It's so great to hear that you had a good time. Hey everybody, that's all I got for you today. That's Primal Eats Catering. If you want some more information, go to our website, www.primaleats.com. Click on the catering tab for more information. It's been a great time like always, and be sure to join me next time on Totally Primal. The simplest things in this world that's dumb. Some of the best things in life are the simple things. And I did not take the right turn. The Good thing is the food is not in this truck. We have some team members ahead of us that are going to get there before us. So